Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share a OneNote link from the mobile app. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft OneNote and you want to share the link on mobile app, just click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To share a OneNote link from the mobile app, you just have to follow these simple steps. So, the first one is you might want to open the OneNote, launch the OneNote app on your mobile device if you're using an Android or an iOS. So, once you're logged in or open the app, open the notebook your page you want to share. In my case, that's going to be TPLAVs, and click this button right here, and I'm click this note right here. All right. So, after that, all I have to do is tap on the share icon. All right, so depending on your mobile device, if you're using an Android or an iOS, in my case, I'm going to be clicking the three dots icon on the upper right corner. You see there is an option here that says copy link to page. It's very easy because if you do that, now you have an option to share this link to your social media platforms. Right, you can use WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and a lot more. You can also do an option here wherein you see this option right here that says send a copy of page, which is also an option for you to do with that. What will happen is you would have an option too. You can use the email with Outlook or send with another app. Depending on your preference. If you click the email with Outlook, it will be forwarded to your Microsoft Outlook account. I'm going to skip that. But instead, I'm going to click the send with another app. You see, I have tons of options here. I can use the AirDrop, messages locally, mail, the Apple Mail, Gmail, Notes, Messenger, Viber, Google Keep, Skype, WhatsApp, even in OneNote, and a lot more. So I have all of these options. It's very easy. Now, another thing that you have to remember is that you click on Done for now. You might want to go to the settings because you want to make sure that you have the manage permissions if needed to control the access and adjust the sharings restrictions to specific people or make it public from your Microsoft account settings. Right, so from here, go to the privacy settings and adjust the access permission accordingly. This is particularly helpful if you want to share notes with colleagues or classmates for real-time collaboration because, for one, everyone can edit or add content simultaneously, making the group projects more efficient. All right, and that's it for today's videos, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.